Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. I'm super glad that I've filmed a tutorial for this because so many people liked this video when I posted it on my Instagram and they were obsessed with it just like how I was. So let's get straight into this video because I know you guys are probably looking at the opening clip like I'm not going to be able to do that. It looks so hard, but let me show you how freaking simple this design was. I go in with that base color that you guys have been seeing me use lately. If you want to check that color out, be sure to look at the other videos, but of course I'll have it in the description if you want to know the exact shade. First, you're going to do some white lines. Now I try to fit about 6 per nail. Don't worry about getting them super straight because it doesn't have to be super straight. I've been saying that a lot in my videos now. I feel like the new nail art is kind of like super random, you know, it doesn't have to be super perfect. So do about 6 lines per nail and then it'll be time for the neon part, which is my favorite part. So I'll be back. Next, you're gonna find a neon shade. It doesn't have to be neon, but neon's gonna give it that like glow in the dark kind of feel. And you're gonna take that shade and then do like some random squiggly lines across all of the nails. Once you do that, this actually is my favorite part. I lied. This is the most interesting part. It's going to give it that 3D look. You are going to need like a hard gel for this. I'm using IBDs. It'll be linked in my Amazon storefront. Super cheap, but this is how you get the 3D clear nail kind of thing. So go ahead and just trace over that neon line. You may have to do it about 2 or 3 times to really get that build 3D look. I went over each one about 2 times. I don't think I did anything more than 2, but you may have to go over them a few times until you get the desired look that you want to do. But that's basically how I did mine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you're done, you're going to top coat this full design, and that is it, you guys. Super easy. Like I said, super easy. Stay tuned if you want to see the final results. I actually took the video from my Instagram Reels, so it'll be edited a little bit, but the results are at the end. Tell me what you think and let me know if you feel like you want to redesign or recreate this with a different color, different shade, or the same color. Doesn't matter, but I really want to see it if you do. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're enjoying this abstract nail art series that I've been doing because I have a little bit more coming for you guys. So again, thank you for watching. Don't mind my boyfriend's beard. I don't think he knows when he's in the frame, but yeah, see you guys soon.